birthday. Sana po masaya kayo sa birthday niya. Happy birthday po, Lala. I love you, Mama. Chup chup. Mwah! Bye!
Si Mami naman. Hi, Uncle G. This is me, and I know I look fat right now because I am 9 months pregnant. But after I lose this baby weight, sexy uli ako. I just want to sing you this song. There's a song I'd like to sing for you today. Listen to the music. Listen to what I say. I want you to know that I care about you and sing this song for you. I just want to wish you a happy birthday, greet you, a happy birthday, wish you, and may your dreams come true. You don't have to worry, but instead don't worry, 'cause it says be happy, 'cause Jesus is with you today. Happy birthday, Uncle G. I love you. Bye-bye.